So what I'll do is I'll scoop it out and throw it to one side. That's another ring by the looks of it. Alright, back on the beach, back out with the Deus 2. I'm closer to the Bournemouth pier this time. Yes, it's day 3 on the beach, but look at the sunshine, it's absolutely glorious. So let's see what we find, if we find anything, that is. If it's a small amount, then it'll be attached to the previous day's video. If it's a lot, then it'll be a separate video. Look at that, beautiful, eh? See you at the first hole. Thanks for joining me, and see you at the end, hopefully, with all my finds, if I've got any. Enjoy. Right, first hole. It come up as a 60-61, so I thought initially that it was a ring pull, but I just seen a shiny edge, and I think it's a coin. Yes, it is a coin. 1994 1 franc. So that's a French coin. Or is it? Well, it says 1 franc on there anyway. 1994. So we have got a coin, but it's a foreign coin. There you go. Alright, we've got a 65, another 65. And that's what I thought the other one was going to be, a ring pull. Normally they come up 61, 62, 63. But there you go, ring pull. Well, it's more of a surface find than anything else, although it does rattle off on the old machine. I don't know what it is. It's a cube of some sort. Don't know, never seen one before. Is it the nude style fidget cube? Oh yeah, fidget cube. Yeah, fidget cube. 66, 65, or 65, 66 I should say. Hopefully not a ring pull. No, the numbers have dropped now. Now it's open. Gone down to 61, so let's see. Oh, there it is, vape. It's a vape. High numbers. So it went to low numbers, now it's gone to high numbers, now it's out. But yeah, the dreaded vape. Never mind. It's a lead weight with some can. There you go. It's got itself a key. Don't know how long that's been in the ground. Looks like a long while. We have a key. We've got a 54. Repeatable. Is it going to be the dreaded ring pull, or is it going to be a 5p piece? It's in the scoop. Yay! 5p it is. And there you go. And to be fair, there is a slight, and I mean slight, cut going all the way along. So I'm going to walk that and see if I can find any more. Predominantly a 87. It's in the scoop. Sounds heavy. Can it be a coin? No. What's that? Hello Kitty. Never mind. Right, as this beach is littered with can lids, bottle lids. Got another 86. Is this going to be another one? Oh no, it's not. It's actually a pound. We've got a pound. £1. I just keep getting bottle lids. As in screw-on bottle lids. 85, 86. Are we going to go for another bottle cap? Sounds lovely. That's in the scoop, whatever it is. That's another coin. Another pound. Another pound coin. 91.92. Out. Oh, is that a ring? I think we've got a ring. Looking at the colour of it, I'd say that that's silver. I'd say that that's silver. It's been in there a while. There you go, one ring, 90, 91, 92. Happy days. Oh, it's got another bit of jewellery, I think it is. It's a clip of some sort. Very nice. Don't know what it is, whether it's silver or not. Give it a little bit of clean up. Possibly was a brooch at some stage and then it's just snapped. And there you go. Oh, it's grunting away, but I can see it. It's just sitting literally on the surface. It's a penny. Just a penny. Grunting away at me. And there you go. don't know what this is. It's got a stone in it. There's the hole. Go this way around. I think it's just junk. I might be wrong. I'll give it a soak of some sort. The sea's normally on this bit. Yeah, it's got a stone on it. As I say, I don't know what it is. And it's right opposite the cliff lift that is closed. So I don't know. I think it's just a bit of junk. But there you go, another bit. $78. So throw it out because I've got the water coming in. Oh, there it is there. It's like a penknife. Yeah, it's a penknife. Get the crust off of it. Wow, that's been there a while. There you go. One penknife. I'll try and clean that up a little bit and see if I can get the blades open. Probably not, but I will try. One penknife. I just had an 85 out of that hole. Looks like I've got another pound. Got another pound. Chuffed to bits. Bloody sea's just covered it up. Right, I've got a 90. Just here. So what I'll do is I'll scoop it out and throw it to one side. That's another ring by the looks of it. Yep. So that's silver as well. Going by the colour of it. I'll have a look for hallmarks when I get back. But yeah, got another ring. This time it looks like a Nike tick. There you go. So, 2 rings, making it a total of 4 for the weekend so far. Chuffed to bits. Got a bullet casing. Got a bullet casing. Just snapped off as well. But yeah, bullet casing. 84, 85. I know what I'd like it to be, but whether it will be a coin or not, I do not know. Oh, it is. It's a round pound. So bankable but not spendable. There you go. Unbankable round pound. Right then, another good day on the beach. Double silver, possibly triple silver. Yes, got 2 rings and a brooch. Got a handful of coins as well as an old round pound. And don't forget, if you're after anything that's metal detecting related, use the LP code at checkout, OPS10, for 10% discount on most items. Thank you very much if you've got this far, and yes, it is the 3rd video on this beach. I have got a lot of crap as well, so it's, with the sun being out, I've got lots of ring pulls and lots of screw bottle lids. No bottles though, a couple of cans, but no bottles, so they're happy enough to throw their bottles away, but not their caps. They have to bury them in the bloody sand, but never mind. I've really enjoyed it, being out in the sun and getting the fresh air. And as I say, thanks for joining me. If you have got this far, I really appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber, which 32% of you are not, please just hit the subscribe button. It is free. It also helps with my algorithms, etc., and definitely helps the channel. So thank you very much, and see you on the next. Much appreciated. Bye.